Hey there, Escambia County educators. Join me today as we take a journey through your Focus portal page, an overview, because this is a Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Your Focus portal page is a wealth of information. So let's begin with the basics. In this top right-hand corner, you're going to see several drop-downs. The first one is going to be your name. The next thing you're going to notice is the school. Also, the school year. Now, you may be a teacher who has more than one role. You could have an admin role at your school. If you were to change your role, you're going to see that your portal page does look different. Today's demonstration is the teacher view. You're also going to see the marking period. The drop-down defaults to the current marking period based on the date, but you do have the ability to change between quarters 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're going to see the classes that you're in charge of teaching. You're also going to see the last time that you logged in. A newer feature for Focus is the ability to select your student from this top drop-down. These are the students assigned to you. If you click the list, you're going to come to the student demographics page with all sorts of information. Anytime, you can go back to your portal by clicking the portal here or the Focus icon in the top left. Looking at our portal page again, we see our alerts here in this first box. Any alert that you have will appear here. For example, if you have an alert to take attendance, clicking the link will take you straight to your attendance page. Going back to our portal, we also have a spot for district and school announcements, where you also have a link to that SIS manual website, a calendar for you, another place to find students here, the YouTube channel with the featured video, where you can subscribe to the channel or contact your Focus teacher leader. Now you're also going to see the district Google Calendar with events here, and you can filter based on the week or the month, and you can go back in time if you need to or print. If you continue to scroll to the bottom, you're going to see favorites that you can create over here. You'll also see that there's another link to that SIS manual website. Focus has a help icon that's located in your sidebar menu for additional help. If you don't have the ECPS Focus app, you can download it on Google Play or in the App Store. Now let's take a look at our sidebar menu. Hovering over that menu will open it. You're going to see that you can take attendance. You can go to your seating chart here. You can also go to your gradebook. Clicking Final Grades will open an additional drop-down. From here, you're going to see the options for posting final grades, posting standard grades, requesting grade changes, and adding report card comments. You can also add a referral or reward positive behaviors from this menu. The communication piece is new. It's replacing Focus Messenger. When you choose communication, it will bring you to this screen. It defaults to your inbox. To compose a message, click Compose. We will have other videos that go further in explanation for your communication piece. Back on the sidebar menu, choosing Students allows you to have an additional drop-down. From here, you can see demographics, the schedule, referrals, progression plan, final grades, GPA, and class rank, as well as graduation requirements and their test history. Under Reports, you have a student breakdown, the ability to have Avery labels and class list. For grades, there are additional reports here as well: gradebook, report cards, and grade verification sheets. Under the Attendance tab, you're going to see the chart, the summary, printing the summary, and the verification or sub-rosters. Under Discipline, there's a category breakdown. And in the performance reports, you'll see test histories, district reports, and the saved reports. If you were to click on the preferences, it's going to take you to a different screen. This is where you can set up gradebook preferences, and again, we have a video to walk you through that. Choosing the calendar will bring you to this screen. Once your calendar loads, you can add information here. That calendar information will again show itself on your portal page under Upcoming Events. The sidebar menu also has a Forms option. This will allow you to initiate a navigator support request or request student counseling. Now, I did want to point out, anytime you have a caret drop down, you're going to see a gap in your menu. There's nothing wrong with your menu. Hovering back over and closing the caret will close the gap. And there you have it, a brief overview of your Focus portal page. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our wide range of Focus videos on our YouTube channel, because that is a Byte of Tech.